Hi everyone! This video is the first in my Nature Journaling with Me series, where we explore the Australian environment and have fun nature journaling the adventure. So let's dive in. Alright, so I biked here about 4k from where I live, brought my sketching gear, and so that's the bridge over the cut. This is the cut. It's a man-made channel that connects the ocean with the estuary in a place called Dawesville, which is just south of Mandurah, which is about 100 kilometres south of Perth in Western Australia. So that's heading north into Mandurah. Here's the cut. It's the ocean. Today is an absolutely lovely day. Blue skies, no clouds, and we've had quite a few weeks of rain, so it's really good to be able to get outside and enjoy the sunshine and warmth. So it is winter here, midwinter. I thought I'd come here because this spot is known for dolphins. Now, I haven't spotted any yet. Apparently they like to come around midday, and it's now just after 2 in the afternoon. And there's these little off side channels. And the dolphins, I've just been told, will actually come up and herd the fish into these side channels, and because they're dead ends, the fish get trapped and then they have a feeding frenzy. So that's pretty cool. Maybe that was a culvert. Have an interesting place to explore nearby? What did you discover last time you went nature journaling? Tell me in the comments below, and I'd love to hear any questions you might have too. Catch you next time. Sea bubbles.